Having network helps you to get that initial feedback you require whenever you are building some project. So let's say that you finished learning web development and once you are comfortable with building some project, you have built your first real world project which you will be sending it to few people. That time when you send it to your closed network, that time they'll see that project and they'll give you the feedback. Maybe something is not working in it, maybe some feature which could have been done in better way. All this feedback will be given by your close people, and these people are nothing but your network. This network might be close friends or even your family, but eventually you have to grow that particular network so that you will get more opportunity. And whenever I say opportunity, it just doesn't mean you'll be taking opportunity from them. It may be you will be giving opportunity to your network also. So that's why it's always a two-way relation. So having that network will make sure that you get initial feedback whenever you are releasing some project. Not only that, your network will help you to pick technology stack. Let's say that you are wondering how you can build certain things. That time you will have some people who will tell you how it can be done. Maybe it can be done using React and Firebase, or maybe it can be done using some other technology. I'm just giving one example. This happened to me when I was learning web development. That time I was using PHP and learning everything in it. That time my network, that is my close two people, those people introduced me to JSON as well as React and Node.js. So when I heard about these two technologies, I understood that okay, this can help me build whatever the project I was working on back then even better way. So that's why having that particular network will make sure that you will get to know about new technology stack and some useful tools which you might require whenever you are building some kind of project. So how you can build your network? It is not like you go to some LinkedIn and start following hundreds of people and tell them that join my network. No, that's not how network is built. Network is built by sharing whatever you are working on with the world. Maybe whenever you are coding some kind of project, instead of just coding and completing it, you just make sure that whenever you are working on it, you take one pic and you post it on Instagram, maybe Twitter, or maybe whatever the place where you have your friends. Don't think about like some random people who you want to impress. It's just that your close friends or family people. So when you share it with them, that time you will start building your network. Obviously when you like put something about your project or something like that, that time all these people will start texting you asking like what is this project and what are you working on. That time you get one opportunity to explain them that see, this is my project and I'm trying to achieve something in this particular project. So that time they might be able to help you out with something, or they might not be able to help you out and they can be just end customer of whatever you are trying to build. But either way you will be able to make sure that you have built your initial network, and maybe those 1-2 people who reply to you and ask about it will tell it to their friends or their family or their co-workers, and this is how network keeps on building. And whenever you share some kind of project or like something online, it makes sure that people see it, and instead of just being inside your laptop, it is seen by the world, and that's how you actually build the network. So why sharing it with the world is that much important whenever you are just getting started or you built something? This is what happens when you share it with the world. When you share it with the world, people see it and they understand that okay, you know how to do it. So whenever they see some kind of job listing, or whenever somebody asks do you know someone who knows how to build something using React or Node.js, or do you know someone who knows how to build one website, when people ask like this question, they'll remember that okay, I know this person who knows how to do this particular thing, maybe build one static website for one business or something like that. That time what happens is they'll let you know that okay, somebody in their network wants to get something done. That time you will be able to get that particular freelancing job, or even like regular job can be done by it. Maybe they might refer you to their company or something like that. So when you have your network with you, that time it will make sure that referrals will be easy. And just see that whenever you are applying for some company, unless it is some kind of campus placement, it's always better that you have some kind of referral whenever you are applying for some company. And when you are sharing it with public, that time you will make sure that you will have some network in that particular company. So this actually helps you to get even better jobs in future. Not only that, having one network will help you to get emotional support also, because programming is not that much easy, and building something using multiple technologies, something like web development, where you have to work with the back end, front end, and lots of framework, even database. That time what happens is when things are going smooth, it's fine, you will be able to achieve everything in your life. But when some kind of problem happens, maybe some code is not working as it is supposed to work, that time you will feel emotionally let down, and that time you need your network to cheer you up. That may be your close family or friends. I'm not telling that you need to post online that you are not feeling well. Yes, of course, if you want to post it, sure, go ahead and post, or at least you should tell it to your close people, so that whatever the error or whatever the problem which you are having, they might have already solved it, or they might know how to solve it. So that's why having one network helps. Humans are social animals. That's why you need to make sure that you have one proper network. So if you feel like you don't have many people in your network, don't worry, just follow me and comment something here, and I'll reply to it, and there you go, you have one person in your network. So that's it for this video, guys, and don't forget to hit that like button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.